Hey guys, we received this finest novelty candy mix for test and try. This is a 54 count bulk candies in a jar. So this includes the candy bracelets, candy necklaces, and 18 candy rings. So they are all individually packed, so you can easily see that. And it's easy to give and gift to someone or kids as a in a party. And you can see the all different styles in here. So it comes in a nice jar. So you can easily see through that jar. So what's remaining? So say this is a bracelet. So is a candy mix in here, and you can easily wear that bracelet. So for the kids, it's a real fun, and then you can eat them as well. So it's a nice bracelet with a flexible things here. So this is the ring, the candy ring. My fingers are a little bigger for that, so good for the kids. And also like it's pretty nice as the candy. I'm just having some fun, but yeah, this is a nice thing and fun things for the kids. You can easily distribute in the kids' party.